Is that GMC?
The fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game. I've been swerving through the city in and out of lanes.
Hey, shotgun.
No, you need to be in the back of the cameraman.
No, how does the cameraman get the back seat? That doesn't make sense. You're gonna sit with the dogs, man. Man, fuck up the jams. It's boring in here.
The 2-second drive.
Oh shit. The bed's painted.
Dude, holy crap, this looks so good. Wow.
Wow.
What do you think, Andrew?
I like it.
Yeah?
You never seen OBS's color.
I like how it has like a little tint of blue to it too. It's like a blue-green.
Yeah.
I mean, black and white.
Oh yeah, dude, that wheel is busted. How was that for you?
That was the easy part. The hard part's coming next. Pushing the truck.
Here we go. At the top of the class on a
They're not ready for us.
What do you mean?
They're not ready for us.
That happens.
It
Takes
does.
time.
Yeah.
I'm okay with it.
Let's stop by the machine shop real quick then.
the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a test and yeah, let me write.
A lot of crazy stuff going on.
It's machine shop happenings for ya.
Yeah, baby.
My pace, Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, all set, I'm on a chase. That's the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma get it anyways. All I do is work, I got this money on my brain. I don't like to talk, I just got way too much to say. They been trying to get me, I'ma get them out of the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma go and get it back. We got in a whip, then I went and hit the dash. I've been thanking God for this life that I done had. I don't need opinions, dog, I only need the facts. It's real, dog, sitting still, dog. They in they feels, dog. I got these bills, dog. Need a meal, dog. If they wantin' less, it's no deal, dog. I don't think they running at my
Fenders look good, Andrew. Coming together. Are you excited to put the truck together?
The question is that. Of course not.
Of course
But
not.
I'm excited to see the end result.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You know, I mean, I love working on cars, but I don't love working on cars.
Dread the
It's
process a little bit.
Kinda. It's a love-hate relationship.
Oh, I feel it. I'm in the same position.
Especially with your car, right?
Constantly having to work on it, never wanting to.
So all the parts are just waiting in your garage.
Yep, in our garage.
Our garage. It just sits there for like 6 months, and then you're like, all right, I'm ready to put this radiator hoses on.
Yeah.
I'm ready to change my high-pressure fuel pump.
No, don't put that in the universe, please. So we're essentially just waiting on the cab right now.
The hood.
And the hood.
Hood's last though.
Wait, what about the grill? We didn't talk to them about the grill.
Oh no!
I didn't even see
I didn't even see it either.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened?
Andrew with the toe straps. Purple OBS.
Oh, he's not here today.
He just left. No, he's here.
Oh, we're pushing then. I feel lost without Gary. I wanted to follow Gary. I don't know where to go.
Oh, wonderful. We gotta push the truck. I mean, you guys did that to get it there, but
We did, but we need Max now. You guys are recording. We're not. You guys aren't pushing.
Hell no, we're not pushing.
Around here, but he said he'll be back there in a second. Okay. He said he was on so he said he'll be here in 4 minutes.
Damn, we got that shyster.
Yeah, the 35.
That stands for 3.5 liters. V6 Mustang.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. I like girl blue eyes with a little bass.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Feel good. Did it not do anything? Just steered?
I mean,
Slight brake?
I trust Gary, so I just basically steered it, and I know he's gonna. Ow. I know. Ow. Kind of windy.
Blink it out, blink it out.
We don't have a windshield.
Done crying? Well, you shouldn't be driving if you can't see.
Well, there's no windshield, so how do you drive without a windshield?
How do razors do it? How do X3s do it?
You have goggles or glasses on, like you.
How do motorcycles do it? How do people that don't wear helmets do it?
Safety squints.
Safety squints.
Feel fine, oh my. Chandelier, limousine.
All right, Andrew. What do we got to do to the truck now?
Everything.
Like?
Put the bed on, the doors, the fenders, the hood, the glass. Yeah, everything.
Heck of a night in Toronto. This bad boy in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the South.